Let me ask you a question. What if you could turn an idea into a working app without getting stuck on specs or UI or deployment? Today I'll show you a practical, end-to-end path to build a functional app using AI at every step along the way. First up, we have the roadmap. We're going to move from vision to production. So we'll cover plan, design, architecture, scaffolding, build, test, ship, monitor, and iterate. I'll also drop in some example tools so you can plug them into your workflow right away. Step number 1 is plan and requirements. This means starting with a crisp problem statement, target audience, constraints, and success metrics. Then use AI to shape that into a one-page product brief, user stories, and acceptance criteria. Some helpful services for this step are ChatGPT, Claude, Notion AI, and Jira's AI features. Next up is UX flows and visual design. Here you'll translate requirements into user flows and wireframes, then into a visual style. Ask AI to help you with navigation, layout hierarchy, accessibility considerations, and even content tone. For this step, try out Figma AI, Framer AI, Uizard, and Galileo AI. Step number 3, architecture and tech choices. Now define the app's boundaries. That means the front-end framework, the backend approach, the data layer, integration points, and even non-functional needs like security, scalability, and privacy. Use artificial intelligence to help you compare trade-offs and produce a lightweight architecture document. Again, ChatGPT and Claude are great here, but also check out Amazon CodeWhisperer, SourceGraph Cody, and Gemini Code Assist. At this point, you have a project plan and an architecture, so it's time for step 4, project scaffolding. Generate a starter structure with common folders, configs, linting, formatting, and scripts. Let AI outline conventions and guardrails so the project stays consistent. For this step, look into GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Codeium, Replit Agents, Windsurf, and AWS CodeWhisperer. Now we're cooking. Step 5 is all about data and backend foundations. Define entities, relationships, and policies. Use managed platforms to speed up authentication, storage, and APIs. Ask AI to suggest schema, migrations, and security rules that you'll review before launch. Services like Supabase with their AI assistant, Firebase tools, Neon with AI helpers, PlanetScale with AI-assisted workflows, and Postman AI for API contracts can really speed things up. Step 6 is feature development. Work in small, verifiable slices. Pair with AI for boilerplate, refactors, and documentation while you keep control of business logic and edge cases. Here's another set of helpful services: GitHub Copilot, Cursor, Claude, ChatGPT, Gemini Code Assist, and Amazon CodeWhisperer. Step 7 is quality, security, and accessibility. This is where you ensure your app is robust and safe. Ask AI to propose test plans, generate unit and end-to-end tests, and surface risky areas. Also, augment your code review with vulnerability hints, license checks, and dependency health. And don't forget to ship with an accessibility pass. Take a look at Mabel, Testum, Playwright Plus AI Assistance, Skynix Code AI, GitHub Advanced Security and Copilot Autofix, and Stark for accessibility. We're nearing the finish line. Step 8 is all about CI/CD and deployment. Automate builds, tests, and previews on every change. Use platform guidance for environment variables, secrets, and rollbacks. And by default, ship to a global edge. Consider these platforms with AI assistance: GitHub Actions with Copilot, Versal, Netlify, Render, and Railway. And now we're at step 9, observability and product analytics. This is where you instrument logs, traces, and errors so you can diagnose issues fast. Pair that with product analytics to see what users actually do and where they drop off. Let AI summarize spikes, anomalies, and root causes. Check out Sentry AI Assist, Datadog AI features, New Relic AI, Posthog, and Amplitude. Finally, step 10 is iteration and maintenance. Close the loop with automated release notes, backlog grooming, and customer support summaries. Use artificial intelligence to triage feedback into clear next steps. For this, explore Notion AI, Linear or Jira AI, Intercomfin, Zendesk AI, and Front AI. And there you have it. A complete flow of how to build a functional app using AI at every step. Give this a shot and let me know how it goes. And remember to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.